Today in Iran, in the city of Niriz and Darab, severe floods hit, which led to casualties. This flood went from Niriz towards Astaqban. 5 people, who were tourists at the site of the flood, were swept away by the torrents of water and they went missing. Other people who were rescued were injured. The Director General of the Fars Provincial Emergency Department continued, some people also fell into the water, several cars got stuck in the river, and rescuers arrived to help them. He stated, rescue forces are still at the scene of the accident to check the details, more information will be announced later. 12 specialized brigades of the Red Crescent were sent to the flood-affected areas of Hossein Darvishi. Also, the Director General of the Far Eastern Red Crescent Society announced the dispatch of 9 specialized brigades of the Red Crescent of the Far East to areas affected by floods in the cities of Astaqban and Sarvastan. He added, after rain in the eastern districts of Fars, the Imam Zaid River caused flooding and destruction in the Ashtiban area on the outskirts of the city. Specialized rescue teams were sent to the region from 4 nearby and involved cities, as well as 2 specialized teams of dog handlers. Darvishi stated, aid is being provided and all Red Crescent units in the province are on full alert. Heavy seasonal rain at altitudes between Niriz and Astaqban. Fars Provincial Police Chief said, unfortunately, 5 people are missing and several injured as a result of seasonal rain on the heights of the Pana River in the direction of the Astaqban resort. Fars Provincial Police Chief said, additional casualty statistics will be announced at a later date.